Yay! Come here. Yes, right at the bank. I was about to. I did. Oh, it's right there. Right at the bank. He's fighting hard though. He's a little tiny one. I thought he was too when he hit it. It's a little one. He was angry. There's one. Yay! I don't like using my left hand to fight the fish. Fat. Look at him. Look. Probably. Release. Hey, buddy. Yeah. You don't want to pet you today? Come here, buddy. Oh, I missed him. Oh. He's not gonna hit it again. There's one. Hey. Fishy. Oh no. There we go. These fish are all fat. Ooh, that was a good cast. A little bit more out of the wind right here with the hill behind it. Oh, there's one. Hey! Oh, it's low. Come over here. Come over here. It's a little one. Yes, it's a little crappie. I don't even know. I haven't been counting. What's Arnold doing? How? I'll come steal your fish. It'll be okay.